Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today is going to be a luxury skincare and a bit of beauty. I'm going to split it into two videos because I got so many things and I feel like I don't want to do like a 30-minute video because no one's going to watch that. So this is going to be part one, and then I'm going to post part two maybe in a few days later. So I've got everything in like the January, like after Christmas sale, which is like my favorite time of the year because you know me, I love a good discount. So I picked up a ton of stuff. Some stuff are new, some stuff are like existing products that I have that I just repurchased during the sales, but I'm just gonna get straight into it. So first up, I picked two of the Laneige lip sleeping masks. And these, like everyone and their grandmother have been talking about these, and so I kind of got sucked into it, and I believe it was 25% off, so I figured this would be a good time to purchase them. So I picked up the scent vanilla, and this one is sweet candy. So the vanilla one I've already started using, and what I love about it is that it comes with this type of like spatula that you can use to apply the product, and then this is the actual lip mask. And the vanilla one, it's like a subtle vanilla. To be fair, I thought it was gonna be like super sweet, but it really isn't. For me, the vanilla one is just very subtle, but this is just how it looks, and this product is amazing. I've kind of stopped using it the last few days just because I am having issues with my lips again. I'm always having lip issues, but I've got a cold sore, so I've kind of like slowed down using it. But when you use it just before you go to bed and then you wake up and you remove it, your lips are incredibly soft and moisturized, and I absolutely love it. And you get so much product. How much? You get 0.7 fluid ounces or 20 grams, which I think is a lot of product just for it's a lip mask. It's not something that you would, like, you're not constantly applying throughout the day. So that one is the vanilla one, and the sweet candy I actually haven't smelled, so let me smell it on camera. And I believe there's like a ton of different like scents available, but at the time they only had like 3 scents, and so I picked up these two because I think the other scent was like lemon. I didn't really care for lemon. Oh, this one is good. Oh yeah, that sweet candy smells like sweet candy. It's good. Yeah, so I picked up those two and I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried anything from Laneige, definitely try the lip sleeping mask because they are definitely worth the hype. Sticking with lip products, I got this kit from Fresh, and I love Fresh products. So it comes with the lip therapy, the advanced lip therapy, and then a lip polish. I believe the lip polish is full size, and then the advanced lip therapy is like a deluxe size. And I've tried the lip therapy before, and to be fair, I do really like it, but now that I've tried a few other lip products, I feel like the lip therapies are quite expensive for what they are. So this is just what it looks like. I haven't used it yet. So this is the lip polish, which I think is more like a scrub. Yeah, so if you can see, it's like a scrub. And it kind of smells really sweet, kind of like caramelly. And then the lip advanced therapy, which is like a deluxe size. These are really good, but like I said, they're pretty expensive if you want to buy the full size, and there are better lip products out there that are cheaper. So yeah, but I wanted to try out this little kit because I thought it was really cute. Okay, so sticking with Fresh, I picked up a bunch of cleansers. These are one of my favorite like face washes. So I've got two of the Soy Face Cleansers, and these are just really like delicate, like easy to use products. They have like no scent. To me, they smell like cucumbers. It's just really easy on the skin. I wouldn't use this if I'm wearing like heavy makeup just because I feel like it won't do the job, but this is a really great product. It says it's for all skin types and it's rich with amino acids, but if you're looking for a gentle cleanser, if you've got sensitive skin, I'll definitely recommend the Soy Face Cleansers. And then I also picked up 2 of the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating washes. So this is like the first full-size product I've got of this. I've only ever tried, like with Fresh, they do a really great job of giving like small sample size things when you purchase from their website. And so I've only tried this in like sample form. So I got 2 of them, and it's the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating wash. This is great too. It is strawberry scented, so if you don't like scented face washes, you're probably not gonna like this. But I feel like this does a really great job of like making my skin feel really soft. And again, to me, it's very gentle too. These actually came in sets, so it came in the Soy Face Cleanser and then the Strawberry Exfoliating wash. So that was a set and that was a set, and so I picked up 2 just because I love these so much. And these are only in the 50ml or the 1.6 fluid ounces, so I go through them quite quickly because I use them, especially the Soy Face Cleanser, I use pretty much every day. Like I said, Fresh is really good with giving like freebies with purchase and things like that, and so I got this little kit for free. Like, I think it's such good value for money. So I got this mini kombucha cleansing treatment, and it's so cute and tiny. I don't know if I've tried this before, but it's so cute. I also got the Sugar Advanced Therapy, which I believe is the same one that was in that kit. Yeah, it's the same one that was in the kit. So again, another deluxe size. And then it also came with the Soy Face Cleanser in, like, again, a deluxe travel size. So yeah, that was all. These 3 were for free. And I feel like Fresh, if you shop on fresh.com, they just do a really good job of giving you like free samples or deluxe size products if you spend over a certain amount of money. So yeah, I got these 3 as like complimentary gift. Next up, I'm so excited about this, and I'm gonna do a video because I'm obsessed. I picked up the Laura Mercier Almond Coconut Body Cream. This is heaven on earth. So this is what it looks like, and I do have the I do have the eau de toilette to go with it, which I just showed in my fragrance haul, so definitely check that fragrance haul out. But I absolutely love this, and I was very skeptical because obviously this is quite an expensive product. I don't spend tons of money on body products. I'm pretty basic just because, like, for years, like from the age of like I think 2 or 3, I had eczema, so I had really sensitive skin, so I only ever really used prescribed creams. And even to this day, I'm not on any prescriptions, but I still go to the pharmacy and get the same prescribed creams, just because, not the steroids, but just like the regular like body lotions, just because I'm too scared to try anything else. And when I do try anything else, it usually irritates my skin. So I was very hesitant to try this, but I've heard so many good things about the Laura Mercier souffles. And honestly, all the hype is worth it. It's absolutely amazing. It's moisturizing. It makes my skin feel soft. It doesn't irritate my skin. And most importantly, it smells divine. To me, it smells really milky and nutty. If you like almond scents, you will definitely love this. And I think it is fabulous. I can't wait to do the video just because I just think it's an amazing product. It's not something that I would use every day just because it is quite expensive, and I'm not willing to purchase this every week. So it's going to be like my once a week like body pamper day that I like to do, but it's not something I would use on a daily basis just because it is quite expensive. Sticking with Laura Mercier, I picked up this translucent setting powder, and again, this was in the sale because I guess it's like one of the Christmas sets. I'm not too sure, but this is like the regular translucent powder that everyone and their mother has, but it's just in a limited edition packaging. So it has like the gold lid. I think the original one, it comes in like a dark brown lid. And I picked this up in the shade medium deep, and I've wanted to try this for a really long time, but I could be wrong, but I feel like when these came out, they came out in only the translucent, and I just felt like anything translucent is not necessarily translucent depending on your skin tone. So I kind of stayed away from it, and then I saw this and I saw that it was in medium deep, and it's like their classic like best-selling product. Everyone has this, and so I decided to pick it up. And then it also came with this like puff, which I probably won't use, but I like that it came with that. Next up, I picked up this kit from Fenty. I've never tried Fenty skincare, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be full size, and they're not. I think they're like, actually they might be full, no. Let me know if these are full size. I don't think they are, but I just thought they're gonna be a lot bigger than this. It just looks so big online, but it's the Fenty Starter Kit, and it comes with the cleanser, the toner, and then the moisturizer. And the only reason why I picked this is because I really wanted to try the moisturizer. So I'm one of those people that I need to start using SPF. I know it's important, but for some reason I haven't found an SPF that works for me, and maybe because I've been traumatized from back in the day when SPF makes you look like blue and ashy and weird, and so I just don't use it even though I should be. So I'm on the hunt for a moisturizer slash SPF sunscreen, or just a regular sunscreen, because I definitely need it. So let me know if you have any recommendations for sunscreens for like my skin tone. So I only really picked it up because I wanted to try this invisible moisturizer because it has SPF 30 in it. But this is like a pore refining serum, which I need because I do have pores, and then a remove it all cleanser. But I think this kit is just a great way to be able to try the products, and then if you like it, you can decide to purchase the full size. Last makeup product is from Nars, and it is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I picked this up in the shade, what shade is this? Walnut. So this is just how it looks. I haven't tried this particular shade. I do have another shade which I believe is maybe hazelnut, but that's more like my skin tone, and I use that if I want to do like a no makeup look. But I wanted to use this for like under my eyes, and to be fair, it's a really good concealer. It's like a cult favorite, everyone has it, but I decided to just pick it up in a lighter shade. So if you care to know, it's Walnut, medium dark 2.6. And last but not least, I got this set from Olay Henriksen. I've heard so many good things about this brand, but I was waiting for them to come out with this set so that I could try multiple products. So it comes with the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, the Dark Spot Toner, and then the Sea Rush Brightening Cream. This is just how it looks. I'm honestly most excited to try the cleanser. I'm a bit scared about the brightening cream because when it says brightening, sometimes it has pigment to it and it just makes you look a bit ashy. So I'm not sure about this product, but this is really great value for money because I believe the cleanser is full size, and then I'm not sure about these two, but I definitely know the cleanser is full size, and I'm all about trying different cleansers. And so yeah, I picked up this little handy set, and hopefully it's as good as the reviews said it was. So that is the end of part one. Like I said, there is going to be a part two, but it's literally already a long video, and so it's probably going to come out in a few days. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you've tried any of the products, especially like the Fenty product as well as the Olay Henriksen. Let me know what you think about it, if they work for you, because I'm all about skincare. Like, I love skincare way more than I love makeup right now. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these new products, and yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.